It's giving inches, it's giving natural.
That's not your real hair.
Well, Dad's looking for you at the bingo table, so.
Excuse me, ma'am, what do you do for a living?
Copy trading, baby. Forex is the future.
Hey guys! It's the very first snow in Nigeria.
This is so tasty.
We just sighted the first African mermaid in Lagos, Nigeria. We are all shocked to see this.
I said it, mermaid is everywhere.
Mom, that's AI. Even we are not real.
This content goes viral easily, and you can earn lots of money with it using a UK TikTok account.
To get your own UK TikTok account that needs no VPN access, check description box of this video.
Want to learn how to make videos like this? Watch to the end.
To gain access to these websites for free, you have to sign up with Google AI Pro. Once you sign up with your email address, you're going to add your debit card. This will grant you free access to the site for a good 1 month. So you can cancel your subscription immediately. I will show you how to do that right now. Go right into your Play Store. Click your email address at that upper part and click on Payment and Subscription. You're going to see the subscription you just did. Go ahead and cancel subscription. I've already canceled mine immediately. I started this free trial. After your first month free trial ends, if you want me to show you how you can keep enjoying the site, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I drop that video, you're not going to miss out. Right now, you're going to visit the site VEO3.ai and let's get started. So you're going to click on it and you're going to type in your prompt. You're going to see this interface. Right here is where you're going to put the prompt. Here goes my prompts. This is just what I discovered from my head. You can use ChatGPT if you want to get better prompts. And then I click on done so the video can go ahead and generate. Now, while waiting for the result of the video, I want to show you the second step of getting access to this Google AI Pro for totally free. So VEO3 AI and also Flow AI is free to you as you've already subscribed for your Google AI Pro. So let me show you how you can make the same video with Flow AI in case you have a lot of content to create in a day. Go ahead and search for Flow AI. Go ahead and sign up, and once you're signed up, you're going to see this interface. I hope I'm not the only one being excited at this opportunity. If you're following, please type in the comment section following so I can know you're still with me. Let's go. Once you're done signing up, click on new project, click on test to video. Go ahead and place your prompt, but for me, I'm going to be using the same prompt I use for View AI. You're going to come right to this corner for further settings. So you're going to click on it, you're going to click on model, then you're going to choose VEO3 fast test to video. Output per prompt, you're going to select just one so that you don't waste your credit. So we click on done and wait for the video to generate. Let's go back to the video we've been generating with VEO3.ai to see the result.
I used to be a broke lady, but copy trading changed the narrative in few months. Everyone should learn how to trade.
So to save your video, click right here and save. Then let's go ahead and check what Flow AI is giving us.
I used to be a broke lady, but copy trading changed the narrative in few months. Everyone should learn how to trade.
Okay, so that's what we have for Flow AI. And I noticed that the Flow AI actually comes with music in the background to make it more appealing. So I don't know for you, which one are you going to pick? For me, I think I will pick Flow AI. So what about you? Which one are you going to pick? Let me know in the comment section. So click right here to get it downloaded on your device. I'm going to choose original size. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Like this video so that other people can see this content. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to know how I generated this Pixar avatar, let me know in the comment section so I can give you the tutorial on how to achieve this Pixar avatar that converts your image to talking avatar like this.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.